What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host, Icarus. Welcome back to the show. I appreciate you guys stopping by, so don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content in the near future. With that out of the way, let's get to it, man. Alright, so for this video, I actually just want to show you guys my two dad shoe pickups I got from a few months back, and I just want to show you guys in one solid video. So, let's go. First things first is a grail of mine from way back then, and it comes in this Yeezy 700 cardboard box. Nothing too special. Y'all see the Boost branding right here, the 700 right up top, and of course the size tag. I actually got this from aftermarket, so huge shout out to all the staff there, kay Boss Kenneth and Boss Matthew. And this is in a size 12. And as you pop the box open, you get the tissues, and of course, you get the sneakers. Folks, this is the Adidas Yeezy 700 Waverunners, the 2022 release. Let's get it out of the box first real quick. I just want to show it off. There we go. There we go. Y'all see the beauty right up on camera. To this day. To this day! I still believe the best Adidas Yeezy to release ever. That could be a hot take, but for me in general, up until now, it still holds up with its overall shape and color. And again, it might be a mix of personal bias because, again, I am not much of a fan of the 350s or the sock shoe in general. I just really like my sneakers with a lot more structure, a lot more build. So I really appreciated the 700 or the 500 Yeezy silhouette. I just love the mix of the grays, the subtle hits of color, that blue and blue-green mesh in the toe area, the black suede panels from the flex point to the medial and lateral sides of the sneaker, that pop of orange in that wavy midsole encapsulating the Boost inside, as well as its light yellow laces right here, the leather gray panels for the eyelets, and more of that gray suede at the heel cup of the sneaker. Now, when it comes to sizing, a lot of times you go a half size up when it comes to Yeezy models, especially in 350s and some 700 models, but the Yeezy 700 Waverunners, the 2022 release, goes true to size in my opinion. I am a true size 12 and I went true to size in my pair right here, as well as in some 500 models as well. But if you're a wide footer, I highly suggest going up a half size because they might fit a little snug in the toe when you're at the end of it. Again, in my opinion, go true to size. And lastly, all those subtle hints of 3M in this sneaker. From that thin strip of 3M at the toe box, the hidden free stripes at the medial and in the lateral sides, the 3M spots near the ankle, as well as at the heel cup at the back. And according to the one and only Yeezy god of the Philippines, Noah Marcus himself, the orange accents right here is supposed to be 3M. But due to the quality control issues of the 2022 model of the Yeezy Waverunners, some pairs like mine have that irregularity of having little to no 3M in the orange accents. So that shouldn't alarm a lot of people getting their pairs if you're not getting any 3M here in the orange accents. It's just that quality control issue, man. I guess that's the only flaw that really holds back this sneaker in general. But overall, the shape, the color, the general iconicness of this sneaker per se just made me love it even more. From being heavily polarizing at first release to being well regarded years later. Once again, a huge shout out to the aftermarket family for trading and finally getting this grail of mine. And I actually used this on our previous shoot for their upcoming projects. And I'll just leave like a couple of snippets while we're going about with me, Boss Beige, Boss Jacob, si Paolo, and of course Jella from Beyond the Hype. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to Team Aftermarket because they're gonna be dropping a banger for you guys, so stay tuned. And of course, I actually used this when I went to Cebu a few weeks back and got to visit the New Balance store in Ayala and saw a lot of dad sneakers there, man. And this is like the perfect segue to show you my second pickup from Ayala Cebu. And going into the New Balance store, there were like a lot of great finds, from the 990 V5, that classic stable silhouette, that 992 in that white and silver colorway, perfect for the summer season, and of course that 991 in that olive colorway that I actually covered a few months back in my previous vlog. From the GR releases and some dope apparel, I actually landed and copped one sneaker from my trip. And it comes in this gray New Balance box, pretty much standard, and you get the papers and then you get the sneaker. And here we go. Folks, this is the New Balance 530. A huge shout out, by the way, to Jack Chu, who actually introduced the silhouette to me through Instagram, and it actually came in the white, silver, and navy colorway as well, but I gravitated a lot more in that cream and beige colorway because I really wanted a subtle, casual gift for my dad in the previous month. So huge shout out to my dad. Also because this cream and beige colorway really reminds me a lot of that Balenciaga runner that Tim Desane actually wore a lot in his videos. And when it comes to clean white sneakers, you really can't go wrong with it because it really matches a lot in your wardrobe, from athleisure, casual to semi-formal even. And it comes in this synthetic leather for the upper, starting from the toe guard, leading up to its medial and lateral cage as well, even in its heel cup with 530 printed in the ankle. And of course, we have this breathable mesh right under those layers in that beige or cream colorway. And when I say breathable, I mean breathable, man, because you can actually see it in this video. It's really that thin, and in my opinion would really go well when you're walking around on a casual day or even running, because it really adds a lot more in that circulation of air on your sneakers, man. I mean, for real, you're not gonna be sweating too much in these. And of course, you have that mesh tongue as well, with New Balance running printed in that synthetic leather by the end of the tongue. You have your default round laces, and of course you have your ever comfy absorb midsole and standard traction in that cream colorway to cap things off. If you ask me, grab a pair of these because the smaller sizes are as good as sold. All those New Balance stores that I visited really told me that the ladies are really digging the silhouette, and the best chance of copying a smaller size might be on resale. But good news for the size 9s and above, because they're pretty much sitting in all your general New Balance stores, but in limited stock. So grab your chance now. And when you're asking me about sizing, I went true to size on my dad's size in this pair of 530s, and it fits him well. And he is a wide footer, so in my opinion, just go true to size and this will fit you well. Overall, man, I really think the 530s are a dope pickup because it checks the free C's on any dope purchase. It's casual, it's comfortable, and the cost is worth the purchase, man. And by the end of it, this was a perfect gift of a dad shoe to my dad. Well, that's enough about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of your thoughts on the Yeezy 700 Waverunners or the New Balance 530s in that beige and cream colorway. Or what are your thoughts on dad shoes in general? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at rural.icarus right here for more sneakers, streetwear, and music-related content right here on the channel. I am Icarus. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Yan, tingnan nyo na. Pasalubong. Unboxing. New Balance 530.
Off-white pala.
Oo. Off-white. Sukat muna. Kung hindi nagkasya, kay Justin na. Tamang-tama.
Nangyari ang pili na ano?
Nangyari balik niya.
Shit!
Kamusta? Ilakad niya yung dalawa. That's how my dad is, man. He nasty, no socks. Straight on feet. Ayan. Agay! Parang nakabalansiyaga si daddy. Ayan, no? Oo.
Ganda.
Pwede. Here you go, dad.